What a wonderful world. What a wonderful world.
Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and all of you who are new to my YouTube channel, hi guys, I'm Shirya Agarwal and I'm here to entertain you with my fashion and beauty tips out there. Also guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please go and do it right now. It will mean the absolute world to me. As already read by the title, you all know today I'm going to review the Chanel CoCo Mademoiselle. Starting off with the packaging part, let's move on like step by step. So the first one, we are going to comment about the packaging, and this is how this beaut perfume looks like. So this is the outer packaging of the perfume. And yes guys, you can see it looks so pretty and subtle at the same time. And now I'm going to open it and show you guys. This is how the inner packaging looks like. I meant the actual bottle looks so pretty and luxurious. Trust me, this can be used as an accent piece because this looks so classy and luxurious that it will enhance any of your corner. Now let's just spritz it and just comment on the formulation and the fragrance which I feel it has. So yeah. I'm just drooling. I am a hoarder for perfumes, guys, if you don't know that. Okay, so this can be classified as a very floral perfume, but very subtle and a little sweet, but I won't categorize it on the fruity part. So yes guys, it's a sweet floral perfume but no fruity essence. It's just a floral one and very subtle. I feel it's even very clean fragrance, like it doesn't feel like something which is overpowering, but yet it's a very clean and subtle fragrance. It gives me a vibe of a very professional kind of a what you can say, a very professional vibe it gives me, like you are in an office going for a very special meeting. So yeah, you can always wear such perfumes at those times. So yeah. Oh god, I just can't stop smelling the perfume. It's just making me go crazy. Now let's move on to the main part, which is if you're spending a hell lot of money on such a perfume, so how does it perform? So this one is a very long lasting perfume, guys. It performs really well. I would say that if you're finding for a very clean and a very nice fresh perfume, then this one is for you. I wouldn't say this is a very unique perfume because you will smell such around you, and it's a very professional office kind of a perfume. I wouldn't say that this one can be used for your party basis or for your events where you want to feel unique and you want to smell different from others. This is not that kind of a perfume. But if you want something which is very subtle, not so overpowering, and also if you want something which is very fresh and you feel like all energized when you have that perfume on you, so yeah, this is that kind of a perfume. So guys, one more thing, when you'll smell this perfume now, you will automatically feel like there is something premium quality in it, and in the back of my mind I can also feel that if somebody is wearing this perfume, I can automatically smell that yeah, this person has some luxe in it. So yes guys, this is what this perfume makes me feel. Also it feels like the person has a class. Like obviously if you know the fragrance of a particular perfume, like I know how CoCo Mademoiselle smells, automatically I have that in my subconscious that yeah, this person has a class, because obviously Coco Chanel is not something everybody wears and is not something which is available to everybody. So yes guys, so I would feel yeah, this person is luxe, this person is classy. So this is how I feel about this perfume, and if you like this small review of mine, I really hope you do, because I want to keep it very simple yet informative to you. So yes guys, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also guys, do comment below and let me know if you want me to review more such perfumes, and if you have any particular perfume you want, if I'll be having that, I would love to do it. Even boys out there, if you want any perfume, then of course let me know. I have more such perfumes for you also.